There's Kaylee and Daddy trying to make a snowman. Well, Kaylee's trying to hit me. Ha ha! Go help Daddy! Daddy's doing all the work. Babe, where's your gloves?
I don't got none.
Yes, you do. So? Hey, Miss Thing, go help Daddy. Oh, you lost your hat.
Mommy, can I not have this?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
Don't forget it. Oh, you almost got me. What are you doing?
Huh?
What are you doing?
One for me, one for Kaylee.
Oh. Kaylee, go make your snowman.
No.
Hey,
What?
go make your snowman.
No.
Hey. Hey. Kaylee, that went behind you.
Huh?
That went behind you.